Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install our XT01 using recessing springs. So items you're going to need is your tape light, your XT01 lens, XT01 extrusion, your two end caps with screws, your recessing spring, a Phillips screwdriver, and a drill if needed. Next, you're going to want to drill a small hole for your lead wire on the bottom of your extrusion. Once you have done so, we can go ahead and do the assembly for your recessing spring. The first step that you're going to want to do is to install your recessing spring onto your plate. So from here, as you can see right here, you're going to have the lip or the needle sticking on the outside so that you can retract. So from here, you're going to put it in one hole first, and on the other side you're going to pinch to get it into the other hole. You're going to do that on both sides, and you can go ahead and put that on the side once you're done. Once you're done with your assembly, you're going to want to route out your hole for your XT01, as I have done so here. Once you have done so, we can go ahead and start the assembly on the XT01. You're going to flip the XT01 over, and then you're going to take your two square bolts and you're going to slide it into the bottom of your extrusion. Take your Phillips, drag it over to your desired location, like I have done so. You're going to then take your recessing spring and put it over your bolts that you had placed into your extrusion. From here, you're going to go ahead and take your screw, put it into your recessing spring, and go ahead and screw it into place. As you can see, I already have both of mine installed. You can still move your recessing spring back and forth if you need to change the placement of your recessing spring. Once you have your placement and that's exactly the place that you want it at, go ahead and tighten it. Like so. Alright, from here we're going to go ahead and install our end cap since we already have our recessing spring on now. From there, you're going to want to screw in both of your screws into your end cap. When doing so, make sure that you have it nicely aligned before you completely secure your end cap onto your extrusion. Alright, now that we have our two end caps, our two recessing spring, as well as the hole for our lead wire, we can go ahead and install our XT01 into our cavity. To do so, you're going to take your recessing spring and pinch the wing all the way back. Insert it into the cavity. When doing so, do not let it fall all the way through until you have your second recessing spring in there. So go ahead and pinch. From here, align it and release whenever you're ready. Now that we have our extrusion inside of our cavity, we can go ahead and install our tape light. Alright, so let's go ahead and install our tape light. First, you're going to take your lead wire and push it through our hole. Okay, from here, go ahead and remove roughly 6 inches of the 3M backing. Push your lead wire all the way through. And then go ahead and start adhering your tape light into your extrusion. When doing so, pull lightly on the tape light and push down every inch to ensure that the tape light is adhered to the extrusion with no bubbles underneath. Now you can pull another 6" and proceed to do the same thing. All the way till the end. Now that we have our tape light inside of our extrusion, go ahead and proceed with the last step of installing your lens. There you have it.